Whether you plan on roasting it, frying it, or smoking your Thanksgiving turkey, this rub recipe is gonna make it taste great. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share lots of simple, family-friendly recipes and seasonings like this one that I like to use in our food. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to make something together twice a week. For this easy turkey rub, you just need 5 simple ingredients and 1 bowl. This batch makes enough for about a 15 to 20 pound turkey, and you can use it dry or wet. Let me show you. I've got a bowl right here, and first I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm adding some dried sage, which goes great with all sorts of poultry. Then some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, and onion powder. And if you have a few big pieces on your seasonings, just take your hands and break them up just like that. If you found that tip helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to always add them to my videos for you. Now I'm just gonna take a spoon and mix everything together and check it out. Just like this, you can rub it all over your turkey, in the skin, under the skin, or you can add some melted butter to it and use it as a wet rub, which will be just as flavorful, delicious, and that little bit of that buttery flavor. Make sure to grab the measurements for this seasoning right below the video, and with that, see you guys next time.